kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a star. Say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, wagwan wagwan. Today I've got another amazing recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some jerk chicken sandwich. Yes guys, trust me, this right here is gonna be so flavorful. We all know that jerk chicken is nice and flavorful, much less a jerk burger. This one is gonna be on another level. Trust me, you all are gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be so flavorful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please go ahead and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Honestly guys, I work very hard just to get this video out for you all. So please continue to support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Greatly appreciated. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a verse for you all from the Bible. And these are just many scriptures, okay? So this is from Hebrews 13 verse 8. So it said, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. So guys, meanwhile us human beings, you know, we change so much. We change our thoughts, we change our minds so much. But God, Jesus, He never changed. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. I pray that you guys is blessed by it. Remember that I love you, but Jesus loves you even more. Stay blessed and stay tuned for the video. Much love. So this is my chicken breast, and I'm using 2 chicken breasts, okay? You can use as much as you like. It depends, you know, how many people you're serving it for. So these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of my paprika. I also have some wet jerk seasoning, and this is just over 2 tablespoons. I have a video on my channel on how I make my wet jerk seasoning. You guys can go and check it out. And this is some dark soya sauce mixed with just a bit of browning. And olive oil, at least 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. So my chicken breast, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a cling film over it and just flatten it down so it cook evenly. Just like so. Just gonna use one of these food hammer. You can use whatever you have, okay? So you see it? It more flatter and it get even more bigger. So this is perfect. So first thing I'm gonna add is my olive oil. And my chicken is already clean, guys. I clean it with some lime, okay? Gonna add my dark soya sauce with browning. And if you don't have dark soya sauce, just use browning only. It's my wet jerk marinade. And guys, we all know that the wet marinade is really spicy. So if you want, you don't have to add too much, okay? You can add at least, you know, 1 tablespoon instead of 2 tablespoons. It all depends, you know, how much heat you preferred. So my seasoning now, I'm just gonna blend it all in. Just mix it all in. That's it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just add my seasoning. Then I'm just gonna take my hand and just, you know, massage it all in. It smells so good. And you can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? This is my baking tray and I have a grill on it. So what I'm gonna do, I have a Jamaican red stripe beer and I'm just gonna pour it onto my grill like so. And this is just gonna cause your chicken breast to be nice and flavorful and juicy. If you don't have the Jamaican red stripe beer, it's totally fine. What you can do, you can just use water instead, okay? And I'm also gonna add I have some scallion and some fresh thyme, so I'm just gonna add it at the bottom, as you can all see. And I'm also gonna add some pimento seed at the bottom, just a few of them, just like so. Then I'm gonna take a brush and just brush on some olive oil so my chicken doesn't, you know, stick. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Lay it just like this. Let's put it in the middle, okay? Guys, I wish you could be in my kitchen, because me I tell you, it smells real good. So good. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 25 minutes, okay? Yes. And 190 to 200 degrees Celsius, okay? Guys, I just removed my chicken breast from my oven, and it's been in the oven for just over 20 minutes, okay? Guys, I'm telling you, it looking so nice and so juicy. It look so good. Look how much juice coming from it. See that, all that juice? Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. What you can also do, all the juice that's at the bottom, you can just pour it on, just like so. Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over. Just like so. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 15 minutes, okay? Because you want the other side to nice and brown. So that's the reason why. So these are my filling for my jerk chicken sandwich. Here I have some lettuce. These are the big one. I also have some red onion that I cut. 1 tomato. Guys, I'm also gonna add a plantain to be in the filling. Guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna be so delicious because the jerk chicken is gonna be a bit spicy, so the plantain, what the plantain is gonna do is gonna balance out the taste. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, trust me, this recipe is gonna be really good. I have a video on my channel on how I make plantain fried rice. If you guys want me to make another one, comment below and tell me, okay? Plantain is really delicious. I love plantain. It is nice, it is sweet, and it's gonna go perfect with the jerk chicken sandwich. I'm gonna make a little jerk sauce. So in my glass bowl right there, I'm gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of my ketchup. Then I'm also gonna add at least 1/4 cup of my barbecue sauce. And at least 1 tablespoon of my honey. Honey. And just a small amount of my wet jerk marinade, okay? I'm gonna mix it all in. It looks so good. This is perfect. What you can do, you can also heat it up a bit for at least, 3 minutes on a low heat, okay? Or even in your microwave. These are my burger buns, and you can use whichever one, okay? It is so soft, very soft. I really like it. It also have, you know, some butter in it also, but as I said, guys, you can use whichever one you have, okay? So now I'm gonna fry my plantain. So to my pot I add some olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. And this is how I cut my plantain, guys. And I'm just gonna fry it for at least 3 minutes on each side, okay? Try not to make them burn. Now I'm just gonna turn it over. Nice and golden.
Coming out the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want.
I'm gonna remove my plantain. That's a paper towel.
Delicious recipe. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking.
So now, guys, I'm gonna toast my bread. Make sure that your stove is on a low heat. I'm gonna add some butter, some unsalted butter. Just gonna add it just like so. Let's see. So this is perfect, nice and golden at the edge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove it now. Yeah, that's done. So guys, with just one of my chicken sandwich, I'm gonna add cheese, okay? Look at it, guys. It looks so good. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfectly cooked to perfection. So I'm gonna add 2 cheese on top of it just for it to melt, okay? Yeah, just like so. I'm just gonna allow it to melt. Put a lid over it. So guys, now I'm just gonna add my filling. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some of my sauce that I made. And as I said, you can always, you know, eat up your sauce just a bit, okay? Just gonna add some of the at the bottom part. Then I'm just gonna add, you know, some onion. Just a bit of my red onion. My lettuce. Just like so. Tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add my plantains. My fried plantain. Guys, trust me, this look amazing. By looking at it, my mouth is watering. Just a few more of my onions. Also add 1 more tomato. I'm gonna add my chicken with my melted cheese. Oh my goodness, this look absolutely delicious. I'm gonna add more of my plantain. Guys, you can do it to your liking, okay? You don't have to do it exactly the way I'm doing it. And now I'm just gonna drizzle some of my barbecue sauce on top. Absolutely delicious. Now add the bun. This is a big sandwich, guys. I'm just gonna poke a toothpick in the middle so it holds. So guys, as you can see, it is all finished, and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious and so mouth-watering. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more amazing recipe like these, and share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much in advance.
Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
And guys, if you try this recipe, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you all to try it, because I know you all are gonna enjoy it. It is mouth-watering, it is tasty. I'm telling you, this recipe right here, as I said, it is a must try. Super yummy. Until next time, bye guys. Love you all.